In this video, we will learn how to install the current Scratch version on Windows 11. So let us start. At first, go to the web browser. On Google, type Scratch and press enter. The official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website. Okay. Now to download Scratch, go below. Here the download button is visible. Click on it. Okay. Go below and your OS is by default selected. Click direct download. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Choose installation options. I'll click here anyone who uses this computer, that is all users. Click install. We have successfully installed Scratch and the desktop shortcut is also visible. When you will click finish, it will run because this is by default selected. So what I'll do, I'll just uncheck and click finish. Now I'll click the desktop shortcut or I'll go to start and type Scratch, and now the Scratch is visible. Click open. So guys, we successfully installed Scratch. For free tutorials, refer the links in the description of this video. Thank you.